Hi everyone, what you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics working here in the shop with me, so relax, we're going to figure this out together. One issue that keeps coming up in this shop has to do with the 2.4 GDI engine. Many people say things like, it started by burning oil and then the check engine light came on, or I heard a strange knocking sound before it failed. That metallic knocking some owners describe can be related to premature internal wear in certain engines from those years. In fact, in several countries, the brand extended warranties and launched campaigns to inspect or even replace affected engines. And this is where everything connects, because before the engine completely fails, it almost always gives warning signs. One of those warning signs is excessive oil consumption. Some customers who come into this shop tell us, between oil changes, I have to add more oil. And that's not as normal as some people think. When an engine starts burning more oil than it should, it can be due to worn piston rings or characteristics of the direct injection system. Some dealerships perform official oil consumption tests to determine whether the vehicle qualifies for a warranty repair. As one mechanic once told me, if the oil level is dropping and there's no visible leak, something is happening inside. That's why regularly checking your oil level can save you from major damage. Now, even if the engine is running fine, several owners have mentioned details about the automatic transmission. It's not that all of them are bad, but you do hear comments like, it gives a small bump when shifting, or it feels rough in traffic. Many times, it's not a damaged transmission. It may simply need a software update or recalibration. There were technical service bulletins in certain years to improve shift quality. We see it a lot in the shop. People think the whole transmission is failing, and in the end, it's just a pending update or overdue maintenance. And when we talk about everyday frustrations, we can't leave out electrical glitches and screen issues. Owners say things like, the screen froze, the backup camera doesn't always turn on, or a warning light came on and then disappeared. In most cases, it comes down to sensors, control modules, or software updates. It's usually not something catastrophic, but it can definitely be annoying if ignored. A proper diagnostic scan often solves the mystery.